My favorite part so far was being able to listen to the student speaker who had the triple major. Her story here is really interesting. I'm happy that I got to know that she got to do a lot of things here that I hope to do in the future. I go to a charter school, and their number one priority for all the students is attending a four-year university. So I heard about Santa Clara through that, and then a lot of open house visits and a lot of emails from Santa Clara.
I really liked walking around and just seeing all the buildings and how the campus is, and learning about the community. I like seeing the campus culture. I'm looking around at this panel thing to try to get all my questions answered, which is nice because there's a lot of different opportunities to do that.
I think the location's really good, as far as getting connected and networked with other companies like Silicon Valley. This is where everything's happening, so I think that's a really good part, and the fact that other people are also willing to help you in your journey throughout college, I think that's really good.